Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to run JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. So for this we need to install Node.js first, and then I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code, and finally we'll be running our JavaScript program. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Node.js, and here we will be having the download link. Click it, and in this downloads page, here we can change the Node.js version of our choice, and here we are having for other operating system also. If you just scroll down, here we are having two options. One is Windows installer and another one is standalone binary. I will just go with the Windows installer one. So this will download the setup file. It is about 31 MB in size. Just be patient till then. Once it is complete, just open it, and we'll be getting this Node.js setup. Click on next. I accept, select next, and this is going to be the default location where Node.js is getting installed. If you want to change it, you can click on change to change it. Once you have done that, click on next, and these are fine, just leave it to default. Select next, and click on install. That's it. Within few seconds we will be getting Node.js has been successfully installed. Just click on finish, and now open command prompt. So just go to search and open it. Here just run the command node space ---- version and hit enter. So as you can see, I have got the exact same version that I have installed. So if I run the command node, we'll be getting the node shell over here. Here we can run any JavaScript code. Okay, so I'm doing this simple math here. First thing, just Google VS Code. We'll be having the official link from code.visualstudio.com. Just click it, and here we are having the download for Windows option. Select this, and the download will be getting started. It is around 119 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it, and we'll be getting the setup. Just click on I accept the agreement and click on next, and this is going to be the default location where Visual Studio Code is going to get installed. If you don't have space in your local disk C, just change this to local disk D or E. So once you're done fixing the location, just click on next, and this is fine. Next, and here is an important thing. Make sure that you are checking all these checkboxes. Okay, this will be super useful in case if you are directly going to open a file or folder by right clicking on it. Okay, so just click on next, and these are the stuff that's going to happen now. Click on install. So once everything is done, just check launch VS Code and click on finish. Now in Visual Studio Code, make sure that we are increasing the font size. So to the left we'll be having this manage. Click it and go to settings. So just make sure that you're having the font size anywhere between 30 and 40. Once it is done, we need to open a new folder and then create our JavaScript file. So for doing that, just click on file and select open folder. Now just select a particular path in your system where you want to create the project. So in my case, I'll just go with local disk D and create here a new file. Let me just have it as JavaScript. Select that and click on select folder. Now that folder will be empty. Let's add a file. So for that, here we are having the new file icon. Select it. Let me just name it as demo. After that, we need to have the .js extension. That's it. So we are done creating our JavaScript file. Let me just add some basic code. So it's going to be console.log. Okay, we just have it something, and go with print or something. Yep, that would be fine. And if you want any extensions, you can go here and just search for JavaScript. So this extension is quite famous, code snippets. By this way you can like do a lot of shortcut coding. And here also Babel JavaScript, this is also quite good. and the official one from Microsoft also. So if you want, you can just install these. It will help you in the coding journey. Now let's see how we can run this code. So there are two ways how you can do this. One is through the terminal way and another one is using the direct run button way. I'll be showing you both. So now the terminal way, open the terminal, and to run this it's going to be node space your file name with the extension and hit enter. As you can see, I'm getting the output. And the next method is going to be a much easier one. Just go to extensions and search for code runner. We'll be having the first option, click it and install. So this is quite famous. And now go to the code. I'll just have something extra. Now to the rightmost top, we'll be having the run code icon. Click it. As you can see, the code has been run and we didn't type any commands. And in case if you want to install any packages, you can simply install them and just follow the exact same thing, node the file name with the extension. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.